Hi everyone, and welcome to our next and final video for this 67 Corvette. This one is kind of interesting because when restorations are done with cars, often the gas tanks are replaced and the tank sticker, which is so important, is either unreadable or completely missing. But with this particular car, when it was restored, the gas tank was removed and it was in really excellent shape. And what's more, the tank sticker was really in great condition and very readable. So as you can see, everything, all of the options, all 15, are on the sticker. And going down here, you can see that we've got the transistor ignition, of course the engine, the 435, the Positraction rear end, the hardtop, the soft top, the white wall tires. Also you see headrest seats and the shoulder harnesses and the special suspension, the F41, the power brakes, and power steering, and all the exhaust and everything that was very, very important and pertinent, you can clearly see on this gas tank, and it is documented. And this is really so important with documenting a car. Everybody looks to the tank sticker, and here it is on the original tank. But wait, there's more. What we have here is the car shipper, which gives you even more detailed information about the options, and it ties it to the VIN of the car. And both the car shipper and the tank sticker are validated by the NCRS, which is this validation cert here, and signed by Roy Signer. This is excellent, excellent validation for this car. Thanks very much, and good luck bidding.